Model, 2017 VAUXHALL Vivaro 1.6CDTI Sportive Spares OR Repairs ULEZ Euro 6. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 194141. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6CDTI 120PS E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has snapped. Nice simple job for someone who knows what they are doing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.